We think say God did really tell a woman say the good people will have to suffer with the bad people. So all of your
Welcome back again, viewers and subscribers. Bless up on yourself and I know say I Wull on there with the mix up and the mix downs though. So like, comment, subscribe if it's your first time. Go over that page, I can get new viewers every day. So bless up on yourself and I know the stuff. Alright, so we are kick off the review today with Roseand expert. So them, Rose did say she said JLP, and I know that guys. So the other day election, so she finally get the chance to represent her thing. So see, they allow me feel like an expert controller, but you can see where for them vote go. Comment down below, guys. You don't know the style. But anyways, earlier I'm on social media. I'm say Mr. Vegas, the dog they on live and is like him that talk about mostly some biblical stuff, so that a Bible thing and reality stuff. You see me, so I'm not gonna tell no lie, make a point and me like for the ear for phone yourself. So see what I go on now.
Yeah, watch it. Oh, perish spell. God, me just a call a friend.
Perish?
Yeah, perish.
Perish.
Oh, thanks, bro. Cool, thanks. Okay. Alright, speak, God, speak. Sorry, God, I had to call a friend. I don't know. Let me.
Repent, or they will be lost with everyone else who will perish. Do you hear me, my daughter? They must repent. There will be no special passes for anyone. The people must repent. It will be a tropical disaster that will take many lives.
God, stop using the big word there, tropic. God, spell tropical for me, please. Me no want to call back dirty. T? Okay, got you. Got you, God. Disaster.
Patience has gone. So I began to cry again, and I said, Lord, why don't you just take the bad people? Because I'm thinking, I didn't see my family. It was just me alone, and few people who seem to have survived. He said many of the
Imagine you get a chance to talk to God. You get a chance to talk to God. And you are telling God, say, why not just take the bad people? Not try change them? No. That's why I love Christians. You get a chance to talk to God. In this, you actually hear God's voice. And you actually ask God, why not just take it? Listen to me. We don't know it take a work up a heaven, Me honestly don't know what go happen up a heaven. But me just a picture heaven that go be like this. See it? God. How that dirty worrying? But there's a picture of black people in there, especially Jamaican. God, let tell me something, God. Then, how is it that she reach up and that dirty worrying girl will take away? You know, say she take away the auntie husband. God, you know, say she fuck like that. How she get in here? God, me not think it gonna work in me and them up here, you know. Me don't think it gonna work in me and up here, God. Me don't think it gonna work in me and up here. Me and God, me don't know how they reach up here. No, God, let me see in my book. You man get a chance to talk to God, the lady. You see what's messed up? She actually sounds like an intelligent woman. Then if somebody that sounds so articulate can get a chance to talk to God, and you go say, God, why don't you just take the bad people them? Yo, just talk here, mama. Talk, mama. Talk.
Good. We'll have to suffer for the bad.
What?
So I said,
What? No, people. Me done right. That's from the pen. Sorry.
why don't you just take the bad people? Because I'm thinking, I didn't see my family. It was just me alone, and few people who seem to have survived. He said many of the good will have to suffer for the bad. So I said,
Barbara said I'm disrespectful. How am I being disrespectful? I'm being logical. You're just unable to think critical. That's your problem. That's not my problem, sister. That is your burden to carry. The good will have to suffer with the bad. Just think about it. All of the good way you think you do and things said, God I go just say, you sheep go over this and you goat go over this. Huh? The good will have to suffer with the bad. Now why is this important to show you this video? Just go look at the amount of people, look at the ratio of the amount of people that liked this video and the amount of dislikes. Now when the people see that when them when them do them checks and them see that and them see the ratio, them know say them a win. Them know say we're ignorant, them know say we're dumb, them know say we have no sense. We think say God did really tell a woman say the good people will have to suffer with the bad people. So all of your life you're there, you are trying to be a good person. You feed the poor, you go to church on Sunday, you praise God, you get in a spirit, you throw your offering, you throw your tithe, you do all of these good things, and then God are going to say, yo, you, all of what you do is useless to what me are going to do to you. And I want to ask another question from all these people that are always getting messages, right? Why you never get a message yet where I said, God is going to come and save us. God is going to come and fix poverty. God is going to come and fix crime. God is going to come and heal the children with cancer. God is going to come and let the limbs them grow back. God is going to come and take black people out of the rule or from under the rules and regulations of the people that implemented the rules and regulations. Why is it that it's always God got to do with something? And it's always, God is always giving black people these type of threats. It's always predominantly black people. Every time you see a Jamaican pastor or a prophet come forward, come speak, it's always God got to do with something bad. This loving God, this loving Father, this great God that sent his only begotten Son to die, Every time these people get a prophecy, it's always look out for a flood, look out for an earthquake, look out for hurricane, look out for this, look out for fire, look out for brimstone. Look, never yet, God never yet sent a message and said, children, how are you doing? We can't get a message and God said, ¿Cómo estás? Never. It's always, yo, you people, you are not listening to me. You are not obeying me. I'm going to kill you off. I'm going to punish you. I'm just like what the sister is saying. I'm going to destroy you. I'm going to cause disaster. No, just think. Just think. Right? Because this is the sheep level where they have us at. Right? Your father. Right? You have not seen your father for like a very long time. Your father is in the military. Or your father is a man that works out and comes in like every 6 months or 3 months. Your father is coming. And before he reaches home, before he reaches home, you hear, yo, when daddy say when him reach, him a go beat the shit out of you. Daddy say, yo, him been hearing all of the bad things about that. The daddy say, anytime him come, man, we not get some piece of peace. You be like, yo, star, me don't want daddy coming up. Me don't want daddy come back, star, because, yo, me can't. Me don't want to see daddy. Daddy no call and check up on we and say, how we doing? Daddy no call and check if we eat. Daddy no call and check if we are not some form of dictatorship or nothing. Daddy see the whole of we poor and hungry and all kind of crime and violence and we are fight against each other. And daddy no intervene at no time and daddy can change heart. Daddy can stop Satan from making a man rape a child. And at no point daddy no intervene and say, yo, I'm gonna change your heart. You gunman, you done. You man who have killed so much people. You who have raped children. I'm gonna change your heart. Change your heart. Change your heart. Change your heart. Because God has the power to do that. But don't come to me with this free will now, because I just explained to you earlier in the message that we cannot use this free will thing any longer because we are now educating ourselves and we know at one point not even fuck you could have did fuck. Which is not even the right term. It's supposed to be better than call it mate. Well, that's an English term too, so I don't know what you want to call it. But juke them. No, stop. One time you could even stop. You have to get a permit, and the permit was basically called the fuck. So we already take that off the table because at one point they outlawed sex. So leave that alone. So let us get back to the meat of the matter. How is it that God has never intervened in all of the things that are going on? All the poverty, all the hunger, everything. Millions of children dying daily from hunger. Babies are getting raped. Gunmen are shoot. Children are criminals. And at no point God no intervene or send a message to any of these people and say, listen to me. Go tell pastor such and such to stop molest the children them in the church. You never hear a prophecy from a prophet nowhere on the face of the earth, from Africa all the way back to Jamaica. We have the most prophets. Jamaica all the way back to Africa. We have the most prophets, and none of them ever get a message from God to say, go do such and such, and you will find a way back to Africa where all your riches are. Or go tell such and such in the church to stop molesting the children because I am going to destroy the church. And if the people in the church are aware of the pastor molesting children and they are not speaking out, and I'm not saying other people are not molesting children, I'm just saying, but this is the house of the Lord. And you are the people who are getting the messages. But how is it that God never sent a good word yet for black people? He's always threatening God and threatening with. Just let us reason that out. Let us just be objective on this reasoning. How is it that God never, from none of these prophets, just explain that to me. How is it that we have never gotten a good message from God? Please, somebody tell me. But y'all want to go to heaven. Every prophecy that comes out of Jamaica is always God is going to hurt us. They know that there is God is a loving God. And how comes so many people are still stuck in this nonsense that so many people can actually like a video where a woman is actually telling us that God told her to write down what he is saying on a piece of paper. That is the highest level of ignorance, black people. And they are watching us. They don't have to worry about anything because we are ignorant. They don't have to worry about any. They don't have to worry about their hold or their reign on this realm. That is like the government see you are glorifying some ignorant people and some done-said people. And the government just feel comfortable because they know so you're not going to be able to challenge no form of legislation when they put forward. Or no form of policies. Because they know you're not at that level. You don't even know what is in the legislation when they pass. Don't think you care about the pothole them. Oh, the pothole them down the road, pothole down the road. And when near election time, they come patch it up. And you're quiet down. You don't know nothing about legislation. You don't know nothing about rules and laws.
Anyways, guys, at the end of the video, this so big up on yourself, like, comment, subscribe, share. After a newer video comes, so no worry on yourself, as you pray. Bless up YouTube, and I'm out.